Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust video upload settings in YouTube Studio in just a few simple steps. Click the Select Files button to open the file picker, choose your video file, and it closes after you've selected it. The Upload Details screen appears where you can configure your video before publishing. Click into the title field and type your video title. For this example, I'm typing coffee, morning coffee routine. Click into the description field below and type a description for your video. Click the Next button at the bottom right to move to the audience settings. The audience screen appears. Select No, it's not made for kids to mark this as content for general audiences. Click Next again to continue to the visibility settings. The visibility screen appears with options for who can see your video. You can choose public, unlisted, or private. For this example, I'm selecting public, so anyone can find and watch the video. Click the Publish button twice to confirm and upload your video. YouTube runs through its processing checks and displays a checks complete message. The dashboard screen appears showing your uploaded videos. A video published confirmation dialog appears with your new video ready to share. If you want to change these settings after publishing, go to your content library in YouTube Studio, click on the video thumbnail, and you'll find all the same options in the Details tab. The visibility setting is particularly useful. Unlisted videos won't appear in search results, but anyone with the link can watch them, which is perfect for sharing drafts with clients or team members before going fully public. You can also schedule a video to go public at a specific time by choosing Scheduled instead of Immediate Publish. And that's how to adjust your video upload settings in YouTube Studio. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.